green Sally up, a green Sally down. Last on the start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, a green Sally down. Last on the start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, a green Sally down. Last on the start, gotta tell the ground.
We realized this last week that we really haven't talked about Pat's KTM that much. Somebody came to the shop and saw this thing and they were like, oh my goodness, I didn't even think this car was real. I saw a couple of clips of it here and there, but we didn't really think that you built it. We thought that you guys were just joking around with it or lying about actually having built this car. No, this car is built. It has a full frame turbo kit on it, has a really nice fuel system in it, really nice transmission in it with fourth gear upgrade. Like, this thing's ready to rock. So we decided to do a little video today to talk a little bit about the build process, what our expectations are for it, and where we're going with it. So Pat Skews is a very good client of ours, been a friend of mine for a really long time. We built a bunch of cars for him. He really likes these KTMs because they're just fantastic cars. It's basically a carbon fiber TTRS with a bunch of downforce and rear wheel drive. We originally got this car right before Texas 2K, and the shipment of the car from Europe was delayed quite a bit, so we only had about a week and a half before Texas 2K. So most of the footage that we're going to show of the pictures is right before Texas 2K. We really try to make that date, and then just the hustle and bustle since Texas 2K, we really haven't picked back up on it. But we wanted to share a little bit about the build process and kind of where we're at with the limitations and where we think the car is going to go before the end of the year. One of the biggest problems we have with it right now is that the TCM has the same bootloader that the new 8Ys have, to where the transmission's not tunable, which is noteworthy because the transmission tune in the 8Y is relatively good, decent clutch pressure, ability to rev them to 7,700 RPM, where this is capped at 68 and no clutch pressure. So we've had to do quite a bit of foolery to be able to even run the power we're making. Once we have the TCM, this car will get really, really fast. But for now, it's just a built motor, built transmission, big Datsun clutch in it. It has one of our full frame turbo kits, a really nice intake setup all the way out to the air filter. It's ducted into the side cowl, so it's nice pressurized air, just like the OE car is. It's on Cyvex. It actually drives really, really nice. Like, I think you could daily drive this thing. It's beautiful. It has some Forge Line 18-inch wheels with it, with bead lock. Big old 345 Mickey Thompson ET Street S. My predictions, this car will probably end up going 870s, 860s maybe, at like 165 or so with this much power. Once we can get a little bit better transmission tune on it and we can rev this thing to 85, 8,800 RPM, I think this car should be bottom eights in the quarter mile and be a really unique car that can do some stuff that puts it on the map for not only a cool car around a racetrack, but also a cool straight line car as well. So enjoy the pictures of the build.